BCI Lil Tj, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Turned that bitch out, you know what I'm saying? What I always do. You feel me? Like, anybody book me, man, they know what's going on, man. They know I'm gonna turn that bitch up, regardless. I turn up any party I go to. That's just me. That's Lil Tj. You feel me? Oh, man. Like a month ahead of time, man. The hood talking about something. Oh, yeah, man. We coming out there, man. We gonna come and support, man. You already know it. Finna come turn that motherfucker up with you. You feel me? Like, this your time. You feel me? This your time to go. Major influence, shit, big cousin Cheese, man, y'all already know it. King Cheese of the city, man. Go check him out on YouTube, y'all know what's going on. I ain't gonna lie to you, shit, I started rapping like damn near like 5 years ago. And then goddamn motherfucker heard my voice and he was like, shit, I ain't gonna lie to you, man, you need to work on your shit, you feel me? You sound good, you feel me? Like, you work on your like the lyrics and shit like that more, and start going in the studio, you feel me, like not just thinking about it, you feel me, just going there and just, you know what I'm saying, just let it come to you, you know what I'm saying, like, you know, I just been doing that shit ever since, so goddamn, I get better and better, every time I go to the studio, I get better and better every time, better and better every time. That motherfucker. We in the hood with it. You know what I'm saying? This is my hood. Talking about, yeah, we was all over this motherfucker for real. We was all over this motherfucker. My nigga Trill, the real demon. Niggas know that. You feel me?
That real demon. You hear me?
For Lil Scooter. The real demon. Y'all know what's going on, man. You know what I'm saying? Right now we finna go to Brothers though. We go see what they got going on up here.
Hey dog. We got about niggas up there motherfucking slapper, right? You hear me? All the motherfucking members, you hear me? We gonna keep telling y'all no more. Come on, man. I'll be that real nigga. Free cash alone, right? You see what's going on. Aight. What up, nigga?
There you go, man. Yeah. There's a plug right there. Nice. Plug Paris.
Bands,
Nah, for real, niggas really doing this
regular
shit.
day. Mama, dad, really having this shit. In the project, man. The real Brick City, Mervyn. Don't be whack trying to be a whacker.
Okay, then.
Okay, then.
Get up, Bobby Crocker.
Fuck, I look like you been up tomorrow might be the day I read.
That's the way it is. Different, just to hit the trap, okay? Bro, we might have fun. We spend your block rules with Casey. She'll love you now, she'll love you then, nigga, okay then. Okay then.
It's on my way forces. Smokers endorsement. If it ain't about the money part,
Ain't that important?
Trapping tatted, total 40. Still informing.
Said she love me, but that bitch ain't shit. But she so good. Let's talk money, bitch, okay then. You know them Drakes in. Just so 30 at the Daisy.
Red Gatorade goes everywhere with me. Got 1,000 of them. 1,000 of these motherfuckers.
Killer scene.
He a nigga.
He don't step out funky. Knock your head and toe, drives and all.
The store got our back forever. They got us forever. They got us We got
Hey! Get your ass outside, bitch ass nigga. Come on, outside. What block? Ugly ass boy.
He said let me get some.
He said I can some time. You alright? Down.
Who's done that?
You gotta ask, you just know.
Mention you ain't gotta ask
bro, squirrel.
That
That motherfucker
Big yeah.
Yeah, can't feed on this motherfucker. I'm stealing his show. I'm stealing his shot. Goddamn it, OG done took over. OG greedy.
Wow, I'm gonna do my
I gotta
game,
pull out
bro.
that salad on there.
What up?
Don't put that in the video. Why you drinking? Cause it's my drink.
Gang, since Fight Train, we ain't changing shit. Big yeah, big dumb, you know. Get with it, get gone.
Right here.
Okay, let me tell you something. When you get goddamn busted a whole knot, when they take it, I ain't gonna get none of the money. You po-ho. Don't got that talk. Tell me, boy.
Man, the realest top, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Give my main nigga, my dog, the Lolo.
We ain't get indicted. I was in a mix. I had a fallout with my homie. He ain't pressure competition. I'm cocky, I'm confident. But being humble, I'ma get it if it's really meant. Make it make sense, and I done had to buy a 30 clip. Cause these young niggas on some murder shit. Gon' make me murder, bitch. They told him beat. He was facing 40. He took it to the bench. They told me greasy. He was facing life and he ain't even flinch. The game cold. A lot of niggas told. Went against the cold. It hurt my.
What's up?
You got a what? Drinking point, drink till it fall. We do got plenty of drinking there. You don't know behind this scene, neither bad song, fuck around. Bitch, I been mad so way before.
Project bricks, we lock like this, get in your shit, fuck all the politics. You truly miss, we represent, nigga, one time for Chris. And I'm somebody in my section, I can get you hit. Make me send a blitz, they send it. He coming down pitches me. Look at that, Kyro, nigga. Go fuck with this nigga, man. Y'all niggas quit acting like hoes, man. Go fuck with that man, man. That man ain't fucking with you. All you gotta do is reach out. You niggas be too scared to come holler at a nigga, man. Hey, damn, man. Reach out to a nigga, man. They gonna show you some love. Niggas real niggas, man. Y'all niggas get off that dead shit, man. Get some money out here, politic with somebody, make something happen, nigga. Make something change. Get along with somebody, nigga.
Sure, because all you change. I'm not all you change. So, okay. Huh? A rubber band?
Yeah, man, loud effect, bitch. Yeah, you already know it. TJ, check him out. You know, Brick City. Get my boys right there, you know. Alright, all that. Alright.
It's dark in here.
Ooh, Swanks, you a fool for this one.
Hey, I will snap on the wall.
Oh, this gonna be right here.
Yeah.
Ooh, Swanks, you a fool for this one.